Ali. Let us hear another message to our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan Caput, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, our Arto, Senior Superintendent Sabanya, our RCS, Senior Superintendent Fabri, other key officers, Commission and non-commission officers, mayang buntag. Okay, in addition lang sa reminders sa ato ang RCS, no, considering that we have the guidance from the national headquarters that we must have speaker at least once a month for the purpose of spiritual enhancement. That's why si SFO1 De La Cruz may mostly gina-request to share his expertise with regards to the spiritual enhancement nato. But we have a lot of options. Dili lang siya pirmi unta. Parehara gud na sa kanang magsige kag sud-an o ginon-onan. Suhan ko ka mangita ko ka pinirito. No? In short, there are a lot of options. We can also request Pastor Sani Humiliada, no? We know na makashare po siya sa doa. It is only a matter of kanang proper communication with him para mabutang sa iyang calendar of activities kasi naabot siya yung mga nauna na nga mga schedules. So again, whoever the assigned sa mga speakers kada Monday flag raising, unta dili na siya mausap. We have to double check, especially the confirmation of this assigned speaker. Kung dili siya available, naagit tayo alternate para dili na mausap. We are lucky that our RT is not around. Another thing is, by the way, congratulations dahil sa mga nag-JLC because first time pa so far sa ako ang nabaluan na batch na there are lot who graduated with flying colors, no? Nasulod sa top 10. So murag first time pa ning daghan kay mostly usara niya dito pwede sa 9 or 10. Karon murag na ay number 2. So again, nagpasabot lang dili balay-balayon ang ato ang mga participants. Kami ko na itong ate. So kasi nasa kwan. Again, congratulations sa inyo hoping that whatever the knowledge and skills you have acquired during your training, you can apply that to your stations. No? If ever you will be assigned back sa inyong istasyon, basin sa ubyo, especially those who are in the top, basin needed ang inyong expertise to some other divisions or sections within the region. Okay. Our goal, ang aim sa ito ang RT is to be excellent. So that's why our motto, basta just the best, di ba? May bago na ito karong motto. During it so happened that during our musical laban, wala na ito na-defeat sa atong crown, but again, we still awarded the best vocals. So we have to adapt that motto. Basta just the best. Umawa na siya ang motto. So we are aiming excellence. So katong mga nag-top, expected dito nga ma-hire ang inyong expertise. Again, tomorrow will be also the ceremonial donning of ranks for the promotees. And again, congratulations for the personnel in the regional office na part or kuan ka ng na-appeal sa promosyon, no? Again, kuan ka ng expected vote for you as Spider-Man says, no? Kanang kung dako ang inyong ranko, magkadako po ang responsibility. No? So expected po that some of you will be also given another task na promote man mo. No? That's why nakita na ko nga murag ang mga platoon leader kuha na kayo, mga promotees man si Joey, si Tere. Ang ayan na kayo mga platoon leader. Today also is the last day of the medical exam, no, sa mga applicants, no, the last batch. That's why atong ipa-start og dali-dali kay para di pud kayo kay fasting ra na sila. No, we will just await for the JL6, no, ato lang wala tulatan si Arde na moabot animals. So mag-standby na lang right after the flag raising, no, laturan lang ta sa iyang advice kung amo dapat niya i-meet up is either in the lobby or at the conference room. So far maulang na ang ato ang activities for this week. By the way, ang lang updates, maybe RD will stop meeting for the updates of the preparation para sa RFO, and of course our coming BEP anniversary is August 15. So unsa na yung katong mga committees, chairmanship ng mga members sa committee, palihog lang ko prepare for the update kay mangita gina si RD, especially sa mga tokens and plaques sa mga awardees na to. Again, good morning once again, and have a fruitful days away ahead of us.
Thank you for your wisdom and reminder, sir.